Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to a video, and today we're going to be doing a line of sight flight with this Mode 2 Ghost, and there's nothing really special being tested here. This is pretty much my normal setup, just out here at the MultiGP International Open. First day on Wednesday, or actually it's Tuesday, we just got here. So I haven't done a specific line of sight video in a little bit, so I'm just going to do that for you here. So for the components, we have the frame, it's Mode 2 Ghost V2, have Hyperlight 2207 1722 kV motors, GemFan 5149 props, have some race wire minis. We have a Foxier Micro Predator V2, Acon AK32 bit 4-in-1 ESC, Hyperlight F4 OSD flight controller, TVS HV Unify Race, Crossfire Nano, and then we have a Lumineer Axie on the back and some very bright blue Tiny's LEDs. And I'll leave a link down in the description to the full parts list. Here we go. Alright, here we go. Oh, and the battery is China Hobbyline 6S1250. This is pretty much a brand new, fresh build. I don't think it has any crashes on it. It just flies really, really nice. Tons of power. I think my old rigs with slightly burnt motors actually have less power because they're so old. Because this just seems really strong. And it's also a fresh battery too. Brand new battery, so that helps. And blue LEDs. It is pretty bright out right now, but I really love the way the blue looks. This build's flying so clean right now. Beta Flight 331. Got that little shark fin up top. That's for turtle mode. If I can get turtle mode to work here. Actually, that's not going to work right now because of the way I have my pre-arm switch set up for the team racing. This build flies so well. A little bit windy out right now. Trying to get a funnel going close. Battery's getting a little low now. Man, 6S really just punches all the way to the end. So yeah, that's gonna be just about it there. Almost getting away. So the battery, just warm. Yeah, just fine. Motors are a little bit warmer than I'd like, but my D gains, I'm running them a little bit high right now since this is a completely fresh build. So there we go, that was just a quick little line of sight video. Once again, nothing special testing, but I really love this setup. So there'll be links down in the description below. Thanks for watching, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.